Hey guys, what's going on? Coming at you with a Friday morning video. Before I get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Today I wanted to talk about Amazon. Their earnings just came out yesterday. Obviously, ticker is AMZN. So yeah, Q2 earnings just got released yesterday, and I really just wanted to kind of voice my opinion and thoughts on it. Basically, you know, they reported worse than expected sales, so that's good and bad at the same time. I think it's more good than anything because I think we kind of hit that peak in like big tech and the bullishness, and you know, we kind of hit that limit where like we've gone so high in like Apple sales, Amazon, you know, PayPal, like really any of these big name guys, Netflix. You know, we're at that point where we're at the very top right now, and you know, you got to have a top at some point. So I feel like we're at that point, and the Q2 was basically the top of the top. So now they're retracting some projections, and you know, people were expecting beats, and if you didn't get a beat, it's extra bad. So you see like a massive pullback. Just really, you know, it's kind of good that this happened, and you know, that's why I was saying kind of stay away from like the big market cap companies. Everything's a little overvalued, so I think they're coming more back down. They're starting to come back more on the fair valuation. So just a little bit of everything. This is why I've been staying away from these guys recently. They lowered Q3 guidance, so they're going to make the goals maybe a little more attainable. But as far as the stock price, everything was priced to perfection. So basically, if you were buying at 3,400, 3,500, 3,600 share, you're really buying this company, and you're basically saying, I think this company is going to keep crushing earnings for the next, you know, year or half year to continue its way up to maybe $4,000 a share. I did not think that, and that's why I haven't been buying it or really talking much about it. So yeah, so they lowered their guidance, which is fine. You know, after hours and from when they reported, the stock has fallen 7 to 8%. That's a lot when you're talking about this big of a market cap. Let me just pull it up. Let me just see. Yeah, so when you're talking that big of a market cap, that's a really massive sell-off. They're they're $1,815 billion market cap. That's massive. That's a really big market cap. So where, you know, do I like this stock, or where I would like to, you know, average in, or if I were to buy it, I would really like to see it in really the sub 3,000 range, but really I'd like to see it around the 52-week lows, which would be 2,800. I feel like that'd be a great opportunity to enter in on the stock. I have no doubt in my mind Amazon over the next, you know, 5 to 10 years, they're going to execute amazingly. They're going to keep coming out with innovative things. They're going to be industry leaders for a very long time. They, you know, really any competitors or any good things they see, they buy. So you don't really have to worry about that stuff. It's just, I think people were just really short-term over, you know, hyping the stock up, and it got to levels where it's not realistic anymore to where it's having a sell-off. So, and that's fine. You know, I mean, stocks don't always go up. They go up and down, and that's good. So, you know, based on like the evaluations I run, the numbers I run, I would love to see it around the 52-week lows. I feel like that'd be a very strong buy if it does get there. So that's kind of my, you know, opinion on Amazon. I know it was at 3,600 a couple weeks ago. Let me see where it's at right now. I think it's at 33. Yeah, 33.30 after hours. So it's still got a way to go to get to where I want to buy it. But you know, another pullback, maybe another 10% pullback, I'd be very interested in maybe averaging into my position. So I feel like this is a great stock long term. It's just, it's a little overvalued right now. So yeah, so that's all I got. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below, and until tomorrow, peace.